Go ahead, sit him down. Let's see. Oh, oh, oh! Yeah. Oh. Here you go, guys. Let me see. Say hi to Grandma. There's our little waterfall filling up the pool in our backyard. I know it's not much, but it's keeping us cool. Sarah!
No, I'm going to take him out.
Let me see you guys do dives. Do slides. Let me see, Sarah. Let me see, Michael. Sarah, let's see. Say, all right, I'm watching. Good job, guys. Say bye to Grandma.